Hey guys, my name is Laura DeFranco. I am the CEO of Brave Healer Productions Publishing. We are a 14-time award-winning publisher for holistic health, wellness, and business professionals. And I just got finished taking the Systems Success Pro workshop. This was a 4-week workshop where I got to work with Jonathan Probert every week for 4 weeks to really get my systems in my business knocked up a notch. And when I was finished, not only did I have several ahas during the weeks that we worked together, I had a clear map of my front end client acquisition and onboarding process. This, I can't even tell you what a relief this was, you guys. We had detailed and documented systems by the time we were finished that I could easily automate to take me out of the equation and maximize my time for the business development, which is what we all need to have more of, right? So if you're in your business and you're doing everything like I was, pretty soon you see your calendar is so full you can't even go bring the business back in that you need to do. So we mapped out that system together, and I had a blueprint for doing the same thing for every other system and program and every other part of my business. So that got very, very exciting very quickly. I instantly tasted this freedom that I have been dreaming of. And now I'm headed toward that freedom in a much more powerful way than I ever was before. Jonathan sees the systems visually, like in a map form, where that visual map usually overwhelms me. Like I don't see things like he does, like his brain does. He presents that really clearly, easily pinpointing where there are inefficiencies in your process and where things can be improved upon or even take you out of the equation completely to save you time. So, with his help, I have a practical way to meet my income goals and leave that legacy I want to leave in the world. For the first time in a while, you guys, I see the solutions to that growth that I envisioned when I started the company. So, of course, I am going to highly recommend that you start this process with System Success Pro sooner rather than later. This is the one piece of business coaching advice that all of my business coaches were missing in the beginning of my journey. And if they had started me with systems from the very beginning, like Jonathan is doing now, I probably would have 10x'd my business a lot sooner. This is the answer to the growth, and you don't often get that coaching. So, Jonathan, thank you for the ahas, for the processes, for the systems. I'm so excited to systemize the rest of my business and really catapult it this next year.